That's why I would only get you a special, which is an Italian.
What's brick cheese?
Brick cheese is like government cheese, dude.
Yeah, but that means they're gonna like.
It's really white and it's
well,
tasty,
if it's a fucking brick cheese, then it means they're gonna like they're gonna like slice it real though. So that shit ain't.
It's not good. Because when I said I want to get a Terry's, well, the reason I didn't get a Terry's sub dinner is because I didn't think I had any cash on me when I went to work today. And then I learned I had $30, so I could have went, but it was like 2 miles out of the way, and it would have been like a half hour more before I picked you up. But well, no, because I went to Coney with the fucking dude I work with in the office, and he's like, he picked up
Kirby's Coney Island. That's awesome.
It's all right. It's better than National.
Ooh.
National sucks, dude.
Oh yeah, that was that thing I sent, that Urban Spoon again. It's like, what the fuck are these people thinking about, man? They're like, they think they're working at a real restaurant, so they're like,
dude, like the girls at Old 8 Mile are cute. Like, so I always give them a buck or two.
Yeah.
Well, I get home, you know, and all I wanted was a Greek salad with chicken on it. I get home, there's no fucking beets. Well, you know, beets are.
All I wanted was a Pepsi.
It's just like they staple the shit so you can't look at it. Like they put 9 staples in a fucking bag, dude. Mike does that too, dude. He'll staple a fucking carry-out menu.
So it's like Joe Pesci, you know. It's like they fuck you at the drive-thru, but they fuck you at the carry-out.
Yeah,
right?
but that's what Mike does at Little Tony's. It's like, you know, you got sick of people like fucking like looking at every little basket, you know. It's like, oh, that's the ranch. Well, it's the bottom of the bag. It's not
like
in with
Paul?
your cheese sticks, dude. Paul's fine, man. Paul's not doing good right now. He's got an ulcer or something. But he won't go to the doctor.
For what? There's 2 things I can't cure: is AIDS and
my Bayliner boat.
Your Bayliner boat.
So Mark's not the lawyer.
That's 2 things you can't get rid of.
He's driving the Roadmaster, dude.
Who?
Your brother's driving the Roadmaster, man.
Yeah, he's got to fucking commute to Saginaw. This guy.
Yeah, but that's not a reliable car.
Yeah, it is. Pretty
100
fucked.
years old.